Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. The best joystick for your gaming PC could make your favorite flight-based games a whole lot more fun. Most flight-based games, be they proper flight sims or something that lets you explore space to your heart's content, will absolutely be more enjoyable with a joystick of some description. In this day and age though, there are plenty on the market that have so many game-specific features and functions. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of PC joystick on the market. Number 1. High-resolution contactless sensors provide precise response and extended longevity to the main stick controls. Plus, a nano trim will allows for fine-tuning of attitude, and an analog POV hat delivers finite adjustment to cockpit views or strafe thrusters in space sims. 2 levers let you quickly adjust main engine throttle and flaps or secondary control surfaces. Plus, swappable throttle tops let you customize your controls for fighter jet or airliners. Connect via the supplied 10 feet/3 meters USB-C to USB-A cable and play your favorite titles on Xbox or PC with an integrated input mode switch. 27 programmable buttons equipped with an 8-way digital POV hat, rapid fire trigger, stick-mounted buttons, dual throttle lever detents, and 8 programmable base buttons. You're well armed with controls for your most critical flight functions. Number 2. An ergonomic 1:1 scale replica inspired by the iconic Airbus Sidestick, the TCA Sidestick Airbus Edition ensures unique handling. You can easily adjust the Sidestick's configuration before each takeoff, to meet your requirements, captain, co-pilot, or with the Sidestick in the central position for solo flight. The throttle built into the base of the joystick includes a thrust reverser function, a unique feature on airliners. This is a major advantage in terms of helping you master related maneuvers, and ensures that your landings are always perfectly controlled. 17 action buttons with braille-style identification. 4 swappable joystick head button modules, and 12 remappable buttons for a multitude of possibilities in flight and on the ground. Number 3. Unique plug-and-play device offering extremely simple and fast installation. Extremely precise joystick with adjustable resistance control. Weighted base for enhanced stability. Ergonomic throttle lever. Wide hand rest for perfect comfort. Rotating handle with built-in locking system offering flawless control over plane rudder. Air brake or rapid fire trigger with multi-directional hat. Exclusive mapping button. Exclusive preset button. Internal memory. Number 4. Official joystick for PlayStation 4 with built-in buttons for the PlayStation. Works with PS5 games. Designed to adapt to all types of flight, and perfect for use in virtual reality. The throttle is detachable, even in virtual reality plug-and-play joystick. For a simplified and intuitive gaming experience, other key features. Adjustable joystick handle resistance. Large, comfortable hand rest. Weighted base for optimal stability. T.Flight HOTAS 4 joystick with detachable throttle. Number 5. The T.1600M FCS Space Sim Duo features Thrustmaster's exclusive heart comprised of magnetic sensors located on the stick delivering unmatched levels of accuracy. A total of 32 action buttons with braille-style physical button identification enable gamers to play the game without ever removing their hands from the joysticks. The T.1600M FCS Space Sim Duo is fully ambidextrous. 3 detachable components allow both joysticks to be perfectly tailored to both left-handed and right-handed players, in all PC games. Optimized ergonomics, wide hand rests and weighted bases ensure optimum comfort and improved stability, even during intense maneuvers and dogfights. Target software allows players to load or create mapping profiles for each game.